Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here today. In this video we're going to do a full body stretch program from the top to the bottom to soften up the muscles and the joints, to prepare ourselves for the HIIT session or the cardio workout we are going to do a little bit later after. This is perfect for anybody, beginners or if you are more active, 50 plus size, anybody who wants to warm up the body before you hit the HIIT session. Let's start now. So we start with the neck, we go to the right and then to the left, approximately 7 minutes, okay? So it's 12 counts on each move. Neck to the side, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and then head goes down and then up. Breathe in, breathe out. You breathe in and then breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Now arms swing, going back first and then forward. 6 going back and 6 going forward, okay? Big moves as well. But begin with the small ones and then you start with the big ones. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. And then we open up our chest and then press forward. So you should feel this in your lower back and in your shoulders. Let's start now. 1, breathe in, 2, breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Marvelous. Now engage your tummy and your bottom and then we're going to rotate our upper body to the side. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great. Now hip movements. Rotate to the right and then to the left. 12 to the right and then 12 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then to the left, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Same thing with the knees to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now a little squat. So it's not a full one, it's a little jump. And there are 50 of these, okay? So the jump is just a little squat up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Marvelous. Now windmill. So we go down, hip width apart, a little bit wider than that. So this is hip width apart, so a little bit wider than that. And then you're just leaning down to the side, okay? Touching your toes. Just be careful when you go down, and if you have got low blood pressure. Let's do 12 on each foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. Now we're going to do a semi-squat. No, lunges back. So we lunge back and we stretch out. Okay? Lunge back and we stretch out. Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And then 6, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And now little squat. We squat down on the side and pick something up from the floor and we shuck it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. So now we're going to lean in. You push your leg forward, use your bottom, you count the power counts from the heels to your legs, to your bum, your glutes, and then up. And then we lean in, okay? 6 on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then the last one, let's see here now. If you can see me, I'm just going to grab hold of this. Just bear with me. So I'd like you to do forward today, okay? 12 on each leg. So you take your leg up 90 degrees and then you just rotate it up forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And another side. You can still see me. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Marvelous. That was all. Perfect. You have now done approximately 7-minute warm-up session, and now you can go attack. You go running, walking, jogging, whatever, HIIT session, workout, maybe one with Joe Wicks or maybe one with me a little bit later. You have lots of different HIIT sessions here with me further down on YouTube. Please subscribe, please like, and please share, and please let me know what you think about it. Lots of love to you all, and take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.